A solitary ant crossing a patch of mud appears insignificant, just a tiny speck against the vast landscape. The total population of these insects reaches 20 quadrillion individuals, a 20 followed by 15 zeros. This count represents a major portion of Earth's total animal biomass. Ant colonies function as superorganisms. Individual ants act much like cells inside a human body, while the colony itself serves as the true, unified entity. These superorganisms engage in organized, permanent warfare. These conflicts occur on a scale that matches human global wars, involving millions of combatants and rigid tactical strategies. Strategic warfare emerged as a biological imperative millions of years before humans developed the capacity for it. It is the result of competing superorganisms vying for dominance. Sustaining a population of millions requires a continuous intake of calories. When a colony's energy demands outpace its local foraging, it turns to organized resource acquisition. Many ant species manage herds of aphids. These sap-sucking insects produce a sugary liquid called honeydew, which ants harvest by stroking the aphids with their antennae. This relationship is physically lopsided. Large ants stand guard over dense clusters of aphids, sometimes clipping the insect's wings to prevent escape, or trapping them in underground chambers to ensure a steady supply of sugar. Because these herds are vital energy sources, they become targets for theft. Rival colonies will launch incursions specifically to seize a neighbor's agricultural assets. Beyond food, a growing empire requires labor. To expand their reach, colonies often seek ways to increase their workforce through external conquest. These societies maintain standing armies. This soldier ant is equipped with stick armor and oversized curved mandibles built for the specific purpose of piercing enemy exoskeletons. An organized raid always begins with reconnaissance. Once scouts locate a target, they use chemical pheromone signals to mobilize thousands of soldiers who advance as a single coordinating unit. The tactical goal of these raids is the enemy's brood chamber. Soldiers push past adult defenders to reach the developing eggs and larvae. The invaders drag the larvae back to their own nest. When these captive ants eventually hatch, they work for the colony that captured them, serving the society that destroyed their original home. Scientists refer to this parasitic behavior as doulosis. It is a biological system of slavery that allows a colony to grow its labor force through theft. Empire building in the natural world relies on the subjugation of rivals. The economics of forced labor have dictated ant geopolitics for millions of years. In highly successful species, colonies eventually expand until their borders mold, leading to a direct clash over physical space. This map shows the front line near Lake Hodges in San Diego, where a vast boundary separates two massive Argentine ant supercolonies, the Very Large and Lake Hodges colonies. It's a zone of total war. Researchers observed 15 million ants killed here in just 6 months. Without the capacity for negotiation, the conflict continues year after year. Total war is the ecological result of finite territory meeting infinite expansion. When a species achieves internal cooperation, the environment is no longer the obstacle to its growth. Its only remaining competitor is another version of itself. These colonies do not fight for ideology or ego. They operate on biological mathematics, where violence is an efficient way to resolve resource deficits. Organized warfare is an algorithm for survival. It emerges whenever social groups must compete for the same energy and space. Human empires are relatively recent. Beneath the soil, these unified collectives have maintained their own systems of geopolitics for millions of years. A patch of dirt is rarely just mud. It is often a contested battlefield, active with the movements of armies we rarely notice. While humans rely on technology to manage global conflicts, the most enduring form of warfare on Earth relies on the unity of the superorganism.